Alright, so when you're grilling just for like 15 or 20 minutes like we are today, we're going to do some chicken on our freshly cleaned grill that we cleaned with our Safe Clean grill brush and our scraper brush. What you want to do if you want to smoke, create smoke, is you want to add about 1/3 to 1/2 of a cup of the smoke pellets. Here we're going with the Kona Sweetwood blend, which is awesome. Highly recommend it. This is a 12-inch tube, so 1/3 to 1/2 of a cup is about right where that dark spot is. So like right in there is plenty in this huge tube to create enough smoke to smoke for about 40 minutes or so. We have added the pellets, and as you can see, it goes to about right there in that whole big tube. Then you just simply take this and we're going to put it right over one of these bars. And then on this side, we'll turn the heat to high for about 10 minutes or so till these ignite. Then we'll turn this off so that we have plenty of smoke without too much heat in here while we're grilling. All right, we'll set our timer for 10 minutes. And there we go. We are at the 4-minute, 16-second mark since we've put the smoker pellets on. The grill is at almost 500 degrees with this side on high and these two on low. I tell you, these grills get really hot. This is Weber Spirit, natural gas. So just be careful. A lot of people grilled way too hot. Just keep that in mind. Let's see where we're at. We're starting to get a little bit of smoke. Not quite there yet though. So we'll let this go the full 10 minutes before we turn this side of the grill all the way off or on the low. And then we'll turn this side up, which is where the side we're going to be grilling on. We'll turn that up to medium low. That's plenty of heat to grill our chicken without burning it up. See you in a sec. We are now at the 10-minute mark. Grill temperatures almost 500 degrees, same temperature settings. And let's see. Oh yeah, we're getting smoke. What you can do too here with tongs, can't really see the coals, but what you can do is shake it down a little bit and lay it back flat. And that way you're guaranteed to get a lot of good smoke. Now we're going to turn this side down to low. I'll turn this up just a little bit, and we'll leave that one about right there. And that's about time for the chicken. It's the sweetwood smoke in Jamaica that gives that great jerky flavor. Of course, there's spices that go along with that as well. However, if you ever go to Jamaica, which I hope you do, and it's a wonderful, beautiful country, you'll see the sweetwood tree, especially if you go ziplining, and that's what they use to chop up. They create chips, and they smoke their food and grill their food with the sweetwood, and you get that wonderful, wonderful flavor that you find only in jerk food. Here at Kona, we've kind of created a blend of woods to give that sweetwood type flavor. This is not from Jamaica. I wish it was, but this gives you close to that same Jamaica kind of jerk smoke flavor. It's a combination of beechwood with some sweet cherry and a couple little other hardwoods that we blended in there, and this truly does give you great flavor. Ooh, can't wait to have this chicken. The ones in the front we put in barbecue sauce. The ones in the back we had Italian dressing that we blended in some of the Kona succulent chicken seasoning. And of course, sweetwood pellets are in the tube. You only need a little bit, 1/3 of a cup or so. See, this is a 12-inch tube, and it's mostly empty. But we're smoking back there. That's enough to give plenty of smoke and give us the flavor we want with this meal. Okay, taking the chicken off the grill now, and as you can see, we only put about 1/3 of a cup. But it's still got plenty of Not even blackened pellets yet. You really don't need that much at all to get this going. That'll probably smoke for another hour. There you go. There you can see it. Just a little bit of that's been used. Maybe I'll cook something else.